We all have genes, which are like tiny instruction manuals in our cells. These genes are found on larger structures called chromosomes. Now you might ask, what are these instructions for? Well, the answer is proteins. Our bodies are full of proteins responsible for all sorts of things, from helping us digest food to growing our hair and fighting diseases. Each of our genes has the information needed to make a specific protein. So, imagine you have a pair of identical instruction manuals. This is like having two similar genes, one on each chromosome of a pair. If one of these manuals, genes, were to get a typo, mutation, it might result in a different end product, like a slightly different protein. The exciting thing about these typos, or mutations, is that they can result in various outcomes. For example, if you had a recipe for a cake and accidentally swapped the sugar for salt, you would end up with a very different and not very tasty cake. This would be like a harmful mutation, where the protein made from the mutated gene doesn't work correctly or causes problems in the body. On the other hand, what if you were making a sandwich and swapped out the usual lettuce for spinach? You might find that you like the sandwich even more. This is like a beneficial mutation, where the change in the protein helps the organism. Finally, you might make a change that doesn't make a difference. Say you swapped one brand of bread for another, but they tasted the same. This would be like a neutral mutation, where the change in the protein doesn't noticeably affect the organism. Remember, mutations can be passed from parents to offspring. So these harmful, beneficial, or neutral changes can create variations within a species over time. This is why we see such a wide variety of traits in nature,